This is an Oster microwave, and today I'll be showing how to set the different power levels. By default, when you press power, it sets it to level 10, which is 100%. And so if you want to adjust the power level, just press power again, and it'll decrease to the level you want. So it goes to 10 down to 1. So if you want to do 50%, put it at 5. Then finally you can enter your time. So let's say 1:25, a minute and 25. Then start. Of course, I'm gonna stop and reset. So in this, I'll repeat the example with, let's say, 30% instead. Press power until it's at level 3 to indicate around 30%. Then enter time. Do just 45 seconds now. And then just press power to start. I mean, not power to start. You press start to start. And then let it go. That's it.